Uber and your luggage, a hitchhiker's guide for smooth travels. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Traveling with luggage can be stressful, especially when figuring out transportation. Can Uber handle your bulky bags? This video will be your ultimate guide to using Uber for luggage transport in 2024. Matching Uber options to your luggage load. While Uber doesn't offer an exact trunk space estimate in the app, we can still make informed decisions based on car types. One small carry-on suitcase, UberX can often handle a single small suitcase in the trunk. However, it's crucial to consider the car model. Sedans typically have less trunk space than hatchbacks or SUVs. If you're unsure, err on the side of caution and choose UberXL. 2 large suitcases or more. For multiple large suitcases, book an UberXL. These vehicles offer significantly more cargo space, perfect for groups traveling with luggage or solo travelers with extensive baggage. Uber Comfort, a tricky luggage case. Uber Comfort vehicles are known for extra legroom and passenger comfort, but trunk space can vary depending on the specific car model. It might be slightly larger than UberX in some cases, but there's no guarantee. When XL might not be enough, the 6-passenger conundrum. Even a spacious UberXL might be a tight squeeze for 6 people with a lot of luggage. Here's where things get tricky. While technically possible, it can be uncomfortable for both passengers and the driver. Consider this alternative: booking 2 Ubers. Here's a strategy that might be more comfortable and efficient for large groups with lots of luggage. Book 2 UberXLs. Splitting your group and luggage into 2 UberXL rides can ensure everyone has enough space and a smoother journey. Cost comparison, weighing your options. While booking 2 Ubers might seem like a double expense, compare the total cost with a single UberXL ride including any surge pricing. Sometimes, splitting the Uber fare can be more economical, especially if you factor in potential discomfort with a crammed UberXL. Important. Communication is key. No matter which option you choose, always inform your Uber driver about the amount and size of your luggage when booking. Additionally, for the double UberXL strategy, let both drivers know you're traveling together as a larger group. Packing smart for Uber rides. Here are some packing tips to maximize your Uber luggage space, regardless of the option you choose. Consolidate and utilize every inch. Pack duffel bags or backpacks alongside suitcases for better space utilization. Consider using packing cubes for efficient organization within your luggage. Ship bulky or non-essentials. If you have bulky or non-essential items, consider shipping them beforehand to minimize luggage during your Uber ride. Folding and flexibility. Pack clothing that folds easily and utilize any extra space in the car, like the footwell behind the passenger seat, if safe and legal in your location. With a little planning, clear communication with your driver, and smart packing strategies, Uber can be a convenient option for transporting your luggage. Remember to choose the right vehicle type based on your luggage amount and group size. Communicate clearly, and explore alternative solutions like booking multiple Ubers for large groups with excessive luggage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks and tips.